Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life and the UAs. Grocery shopping from Walmart. Chicken brew, Mountain Dew, oil, milk, paper towel, sliced bread, chip ahoy cookies, Yakult, onion, potato, chicken, sausage, cheese, egg, fish mixed chocolate, ground gravy, Stapaju, bacon, and spring onion. And the total is $87.72 or 5,307 pesos. Over there, guy, have police car right there, guy. See? Police car. Four police car, guy. Maybe somebody did over that house right there. That is the sheriff. Poor sheriff. Over there. Why they park over there? In front of our house. I need to transfer the peanuts, though. Those look like it's not grown nice. Maybe they don't like over here. No, it's not grown nice, guys. Anyway, we transfer that. Yan, gitransfer ko na dito ngayon. Peanuts. Over here also. Ambulance kayo. Okay. You still have police over there? No. That the next door have police yesterday. 4 car of police. And now only ambulance. The police show up there. Yesterday all police, no ambulance. But now have police show up. Clean up, guy. Because I have no work today. Today is Saturday. And whole day is raining. So no need to go outside to our garden and pouring water. So what to do? We do something inside the house. So that's why our exercise. Exercise ko guys. Exercise pag may time. Little bit chilly. Chilly. Let's do clean. I'm going to the store, guys. Let's do. But my sunflower, very small. They told this is giant, but it's not giant. Planet Fitness. Habi-labi over there across the street of T-Mobile na.
I gave you for phones. It was a cheap garbage phone.
Hi guys, good afternoon guys. We are now at the house from store guys. We went to T-Mobile and then Walmart. Corona Extra beer. My husband bought this. And we bought this guy. Pineapple slice. And of course, we bought her favorite sweet southern heat barbecue cheese. And we bought guys shrimp, regular and spicy. We bought only four. And plantain. Look at that, very big. And we bought grapes. And I have lot of fruits then. We need to eat lot of fruits. And mango. And that's it guys. And this pen only guys. How much is? $16 guys. Everything. And we return also the thermometer guys because it's not working. Very nice here guys. If you return something stuff in the store, no more asking sometime. Even the stuff is open and you give only the receipt and that's it. In the Philippines, if you return something, lot of blah blah blah. Mostly it open na. Here is no more question. They ask only the receipt if you have receipt and then return. Very quick. And that's it guys.